Fuck that shit. Fuck that. Like, man, really? Really, baby? Lord. Yeah. There's a lot of things going on right now. Shoot. Oh, okay. Oh, things just got real. Oh my god. Okay, I gotta switch real quick. I'll switch real quick. Hold on. Hold on. The futures are. Hold on, futures are. Are futures crapping itself right now? Hold on. What's up, Fishy? What's up, Zelly? Adrian, what? Wait, Adrian? Fishy? Hold on. Hold on, we just took. Hold on. Just took a nasty dip here. Hold on. Hold on, we might be seeing this live. Oh shoot. I'm running it from my boy. Hey, yo, Adrian. Yo, Fishy, what's good? Maxie about to do things, you know. Maxine's getting hot. Unbothered. What is going on? Welcome to another stream. Yours truly, line of all trades. Yo, can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Let's get this out. Hey yo, Adrian. Hey yo, Adrian. You know, you coming to my house, you know, we could, talk a little bit, have some coffee,
You know, Adrian, you know, like me, you know, sit down with Rocky Balboa. You know, I could talk to you about a lot of things. You know, I'll talk to you about boxing if you want, you know. But yo, Adrian, you know, I feel like you know, you look good. You know, I like to take you out on the date. Hell yeah, me. Hey, Mick. This is my lady, my lady Adrian. Is she a beautiful? So stupid. Oh, Lord. I'm married, G. Oh boy. Hold on, give me I'm sorry. I guess I got the wrong Adrian. You know, thinking, you know, maybe I'm drunk. I don't know. Yeah. Are you Apollo? Is that you? Hey, I thought you were dead. Hey, yo, Adrian. I did it. All right, let me stop. What borough? Hold on. What borough? Wait, you in New York? Wait, did we discuss this before? Wait, nah, wait. Nah, somebody else is from New York. I think it was Mad Gun. Mad Gun is from New York. He's from Brooklyn. But I'm the opposite of. Oh, Burro? Oh, right. You in Burro. You in Burro Town in Cali. Okay. Yeah, no, I'm over here in New York. I'm in New York right now. East side. I'm on the east side. Yeah. So let me just get my back straight. Maybe put some more cushion on this chair here, because I don't want my ass to get flat. But give me 1 second. A 100 guns and 100 Glocks. I got 100 guns and 100 Glocks. But hold on. I got 100 guns, 100 Glocks, but my legs are weak as fuck and I can't walk 100 blocks. I get too tired easily. I don't know, I get my cardi up, so I don't know why I'm always out of shape and running, but I can't make it to the corner of the block. Stunting. Oh, Chris Wilson, what's up? what? Get it along with my baby, baby. Gonna give it up. Call always on time. Give you my baby, be mine, be mine.
But yeah, how's y'all doing? What's going on tonight? How are you, Chris? Yo, Chris, yo, that. How did you do, man? Cause I was watching a few of the tickets we were talking about yesterday, including, oh my God, Maxine. Yo, Maxine was, oh, whoa, wait a minute. Signal. Where's Zelly at? I think she stepped away to get coffee or something, or come out and interact with us. Let's talk about Maxine. You know what? I wasn't even paying attention to the after hours because our line over here feeling old as hell and had to take a nap for an hour. So as that was happening, I did not know that Maxine here ran up another 23%. Wow, another 23%. So then closing here 1806% on the after hours. Wow, Maxine, she just stopped overflowing. I think she just got over her period, and now she's feeling happy again and excited, and now she wants to get busy. All right, so you already see earlier. I mean, was it earlier? No, yeah, this was this morning during pre-market. We already saw last night that it was actually still going through slowly, like bearish divergence, but you got Mark R, who on the Discord and on the chat, he said, and not financial advice, that he was actually going to lock in an entry into Maxine, balls deep, and he managed to get some at 18, and it literally did hit 18 cents on the mark twice, and after that it was up from there, and it ran 14% during the market hours, and after market hours you have it running another 18% on top of that, or about over 20%. So Mark R is pretty excited about Maxine, and I think he definitely forgot about Peggy. Threw it to the side of the curb, and now he's walking happy with Maxine, having a little fling with her. You know what I'm saying? So overall, right now, could this be another? Could this be another consolidation period here as we get into tomorrow? Look at that. Mark is happy. Look at him. Yippee. There he is. And yeah. Fishy's like, remember to stay protected and pull out. Maxine getting nasty. Not financial advice. Not dating advice when it comes to stocks, too. Okay, so just remember that. All right. So we have to figure this out a little bit and figure out what the next trend is going to be, because as you can see right now, we do have something that happened like today during market hours, where it had a little run up, and then we see it having another run into aftermarket hours. So let me see. I want to say if we took the bars pattern from here to, I want to say, let me see something from here. Okay, just remember everything that's being said here is strictly in our opinion, not financial advice. All right, this is for only observational, educational, entertainment, and all that stuff. And we're gonna find out what Maxine has in store for us as she gets hot and bothered and nice and juicy. Okay, so we're gonna go here. And we're gonna see if we can actually maybe we can make something happen around here with these fractals. I mean, or bars pattern. Let's see what we get here. No, just know that I'm not too aware about this, but I just wanted to mimic, something that happens. So I feel like if anything, maybe, just maybe. Hold on. I want to see what makes sense. And Anubis. Hey, what's up? How's everything with you? Hey, Anubis. You remind me, which stock was it that you were mentioning yesterday? And happy Thursday to you. And I'm feeling somewhat better. I'm still a little runny. I want to say I'm going crazy because something is tickling my nose, but I think I think it's just my mustache is kind of tickling my nose and it's annoying me. And but I'm good. Overall, I'm good. Just trying to figure this out, and maybe we create some type of scenario here where we can, experiment and perhaps try to find maybe some type of pattern that fits best with this scenario. So what I'm gonna do is, remember, do not follow this, okay? I'm just here just to mess around and and just like a what if scenario. Okay, so we're gonna do that, and we'll just be like, what if this happened and this and this and that, and I gotta actually try to let me see, from here maybe. No, not this. Well, my viewer count is tripping. Why is it tripping? I can't even see the number of viewers that are watching right now. But if it's tripping, then damn, thank you for jumping in to the stream. Hey, and even if it's for a little bit, and I appreciate you taking the time out of your day, out of your night, to jump into the stream and hang out and talk amongst yourselves and have our conversations here and what's happening. So I appreciate it a lot. Okay, so thank you very much, and let's hope for greater things to happen. Yes. See, because I'm trying to. It doesn't have to be exactly to the T, but I just wanted to experiment. All right. Let's see. Happy Thursday. I don't remember, and oh, you don't remember? It's okay. Well, from yesterday's stream, I think we went over a couple of tickers. Mark had some tickers. Chris. Who else did? I mean, we went over. Oh, Mark Maddox too. He went over G Wave. We went over Maxine, Casia Therapeutics. We went over AMC, GME, BIG. I think we did Finger 2 as well. So yeah. Oh yeah, I do need to drink water. I've never taken rose hips before, but I have had bioflavonoids. I think grapes have that. Do they? Oh shoot, I didn't even know that popped up. Oh no. I'm gonna give it a quick like here. Show some love. Thank you, Zali. Did you guys catch this real quick? I just wanted to show you. During the testimony, when this guy who seemed like he was just stuttering in the sentence, asked him, "Is eliminating the Federal Reserve best for economic stability?" And Jerome Powell said yes. Just take that in for a second. And that got me tripping. I was like, what? He literally said yes. So are we expecting no more Fed in the future? That could be the possibility. But so we're gonna go with Maxine first, and we're gonna talk about how it's doing on the cost to borrow, short interest, and stuff like that. We're gonna see what the cost to borrow fee is, if the cost to borrow fee went up from yesterday. Why isn't it not coming out? Thank you very much. So we got a short interest of 22,952,721 shares. What was the volume in total? Oh wow! So the volume in total for today was 355.58 million shares traded today. The average was at 79.97 for 30 days. Short interest percentage of the flow is 67.84%, with short interest ratio of 0.08 days. Would like to think that that was actually a little higher, so maybe it dropped. Maybe there was some shorts that covered. But as of right now, as of 2 hours ago, we got over 6,100,000 short shares available. And the cost to borrow, okay, so it's been so it didn't make much of a difference. It only dropped by a little bit, from 97.64 to a max of 96.91%, so it's still quite high. Yes, like and subscribe. Thank you, Zali. Casia, we're gonna go over Casia in a few moments. But let's see, like what is going on with Maxine here, right? So we already have a great rally here. Again, when we were reviewing this last night on the stream, and we still had more downside to go. And Mark R and going down to 18 cents, which was fulfilled, and Mark R called it. He called it, and he was locking in on the target to get in at 18 cents, which he successfully got in, and it filled. And he is printing. Okay, he is printing, and not only that, but we had a second round in the after hour market session, and talk about a gain from 18 cents. Remember, it's a penny stock. I think it's considered a micro cap stock, but from here in 10 hours, like, this is pretty much up 58%. So quite a nice gain from there. All right, and as you can see here in the pattern, we have a healthy pullback, consolidation, rip up, pullback was healthy, and then we had a lot of volume just pumping in during the aftermarket hours. Lots of volume here until it hit a resistance here at 28.43, close to 28.5 cents, and pulled back with another consolidation here. So we don't know if there's gonna be another round. So my thing is, will it actually do it again? Will she pop, sizzle, and clap some short cheeks into pre-market hours tomorrow, and maybe break over 30 cents? That could be the possibility. But if investors or others take profit and starts to sell off, we can see this come back down to this level of 23 cents, and maybe try to establish a bottom from here and consolidate, and maybe get another round, maybe going into next week, because tomorrow's Friday. Oh my god, I really feel like there's something tickling my nose. I'm about to cut my mustache. So yeah, that's what I feel that could happen with Maxine. Overall, if I look at let me see, if I look at the larger time frame here, this here looks beautiful. Okay. And here it looks like it could do just that and consolidate back here around 25 cents and go for another leg up. If I go to the 4 hour real quick, you see a nice little W-shaped pattern, sort of like a double bottom here. Is that your big toe? Oh shoot, I didn't even know your toe was that hairy. Freaking 2 inches long. I am out slapping your live hella loud while crossing the Golden Gate Bridge. What? Hold on, like for real, man? Wow, dude, that's freaking, that's crazy, dude. That is so cool. That is so cool. Imagine just like taking a video and just recording that, and then posting it on the Twitter. Be like, yo, I'm listening to Lion on the Golden Gate Bridge. What up? Shout out to you, bro. Órale, carnal. ¿Qué pasa, güey? Oye, ¿qué pedo? Quítate del medio. So, oh man, but yeah, overall though, this looks quite interesting. All right, because now we have a green bar here popping up on the daily, and here the RSI is still freaking hot here at around, what is this, 7, 8. So once it starts to cross over the orange line, forget about it. I feel like that would still leave us with the impression that Maxine has more to go. And the last resistance here, as you can see, where it ended up here on Monday, was at a high of 34.5 cents. So maybe, just maybe, it could retest again and reach maybe 35 for the next target. And we'll see what happens. But if not, we would have to see if it actually does hold, or if it actually breaks out into tomorrow pre-market hours. So that's Maxine for you. Give it up for Maxine, ladies and gentlemen. She's hot and she is bothered and ready to go. Now, Mark R mentioned about Kazuya. And I remember we went over Kazuya as well yesterday. So we're gonna do that right now. If there's anything that you want to check out real quick on the chart, any ticker, just throw it out there. All right, and I'll be glad to look it up and give you my hypothetical TA on it. In my opinion of what the trend is looking like on the indicators. So 7-inch toes is actually really scary, especially if it's hairy and has foot fungus in there. You wouldn't want to get close to that. But let me tell you about Kazuya. So wow, so today it actually ran 85.57%. Wow, look at that. What? Okay, Mark R, that is really good. That is really good. Oh wow. So Kazuya did it again. And yesterday's rally here that took Kazuya almost 300% on a day, and now Kazuya went another 85%. So we pretty yo, that's pretty insane. I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty insane. So we pretty much said that it was gonna follow on this wait, where's the channel? Didn't I put a channel here for Kazuya? I could have sworn I did, unless that was somebody else. Hold on, help me out here. Was it Kazuya? Alright, well anyway, you got this going on. So now that you see, when I put this area of support and area of resistance, how it actually, and look, I did not touch it, I just left it the way it is. Alright, I just used it as a reference, not financial advice. Moistly, welcome back. And Fishy called Mark Maddox's toes flippers. But you can see here on the hourly, it actually managed to break over this area of resistance, and it actually hit today a high of 158, and that was called yesterday. All right, so the bullish case scenario was pretty much if it broke over $1 to, $1.20, that this area of resistance would be the next level to try to break, and it actually did. And you can see here on the two hourly candles, perfectly hitting it and then quitting it, pulling back, and now in this range. So now in this channel, what you want to see for continuance to the upside, and you can see this big bull wick going back up. So this candle here was at a low of 99.5 cents and reached at a high of 117. So you need this to at least bounce above 110 and come back up to then retest the area of interest here, resistance at 140, and go for another push to try to reach 160 to 165, which would be the bullish case scenario. But if you noticed, all right, so if you noticed, and y'all talking about toes and stuff, Jesus, y'all got some toe fetishes here. If you noticed here on the EMA cloud, the 9 to 12 EMA cloud, we have which looks like a reversal back to the downside, and it's actually thinning out a little bit. So chances are, if this if this occurs, then this could break down below this trend out of the channel and retest this area of support around 85 to 90 cents. All right, if it gets weak, and then if people start to take profits from here and, you know, hit it and quit it, you know, scalp their trades and took profit, whatever, then you would have this as the next area of support. If that were to break down, let me just clone this real quick and say that perhaps this would be the next area here. So we're gonna see if which one it would actually test. It would actually test this level, this range between 85 and 90, or if it breaks down and, you know, kind of does like a inverse head and shoulders type of pattern, and try it for 70 cents around there. So we're gonna look quickly at the, you know what, we're gonna go to chartexchange.com. Screw it. And then we're gonna see, ooh, okay, we're gonna talk about that later. So Kazia. Oh, so now, okay, things got interesting here. So there was today a 900,000 shares available to borrow, and as the hours went by throughout the whole day, throughout the trading day, it actually dropped, and now there's only 10,000 shares available to borrow with a 3.64% cost to borrow fee. So yeah, they're running out of shares. They're running out of shares to borrow. If it goes to zero, you already know that this could have a reaction. There could be more covering to occur, and so maybe, just maybe, the bullish case scenario could take place, and then we see another bounce and we try to, you know, go for 140 again and then 160. Too bad his not that flexible. Oh my god, what are y'all talking about? Anyway, you guys have jokes for days. Wait, what? What you mean I gotta log in? Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Stop playing with me. Okay, so there is now 0.00 days to cover. So and there's no okay, so there's no shares. What? That doesn't make sense. Hold on. Wait, what? Okay, hold on. Give me a second here. Oh, this hasn't updated. This hasn't updated since yesterday. Well, that's weird. Wow. GTAI had a big rip. Okay, hold on. Okay, let me just finish here. So apparently there's no data. Apparently the data was not updated here. Kevin. Yo, good to see you. Welcome back. Welcome back to the shenanigans here. To oh god. What are y'all talking about, dude? It said not okay, hold on. I gotta pause for a second and just finish off with Kazia. Alright, so that is the hypothetical TA right there. So again, you got either below 90, or if it stays in that channel and bounces back to 140 and then breaks and have another day of another rally, which could take Kazia to 160 and maybe even up to like 180 if possible. Or if it runs up another 60 to 80% from this point, we're talking about a potential for Kazuya to hit $2 if we get another 80 to 100% run. And then from there, we're gonna see if it'll actually attempt to fill the gap, because there is a gap for Kazuya, and that gap is huge for you know, for it to fill. Okay, so you got the gap here. Where is it? You can see that big gap right here from August of 2022. And from here, now how it looks like on the daily, this looks like it could jump and jump. And yeah, you know what, maybe that could be the case. Maybe that could be the case for tomorrow. Yeah, Kevin. Kazuya is what? Kazuya is getting hot. And not only just Kazuya, but I even talked about Maxine, and Maxine went and ran so hard from 18 cents over to, what was it? It went to almost 25 cents. So from 18 to 25 cents. So yeah. So yeah. So most likely, not financial advice, that could be the bullish case scenario. If, let's say, they are trying to cover and this thing starts to rip up another 80 to 100%. I don't know. Don't quote me on it, but Kazuya is crazy. It's just crazy right now. I'm gonna leave it at that. Yeah, Kevin. Maxine's getting spicy, bro. She's literally taking away the attention from Peggy and Amy. And she's making moves. Feel me? You feel me, bro? Like, that shit crazy. It's crazy. Look at Maxine over here. Maxine. Look at these orders. Look at these orders here going into the last minute of let me see, the last minute of aftermarket hours. You got this big order here for 200,000 shares at 0.2695. Then you got some here. It's like back and forth, but 32k, 4,000. Maybe. Oh wait. Oh shoot! I forgot Maxine has a options chain. I totally discussed about that before. Oh, and there's a whopping 51,521 open interest for the July 19 expiration. But obviously there's a lot of volume here for the 50 cent strike. So I think we went over that yesterday. Yeah, we did go over that yesterday. I got the timestamps, so just in case if you want to check it out. But yeah, dude. And it's not Maxine as in Maxine Waters. It's Maxine. She's a whole lot of woman in this stock. About to blow up. You got here yourself a nice golden cross on the 5-minute chart, which led to this nice trend here, and now This could potentially have another push. So yeah, that's what happened to Maxine. That's what happened to Maxine. Yeah. Yeah, Maxine at the hours and it got, oh, Amy. Amy, yeah, flatlined. I mean, it always does flatline. I mean, we haven't seen a crazy after hours session in Amy in God knows how long ago that's been going on. But what's going on, Lion? Yeah, Kevin, I'm good. I'm still kind of under the weather, but I'm feeling better. Hopefully everything is good with you, man. Oh yeah, Maxine has a lot of cushion. I think Maxine could give some to Amy if she can tomorrow on Friday, last day of the trading day, guys. So yeah. So now that we're done with Kazia, we're gonna go and check out IVP real quick. Let me see. Did you guys list any other? Let me see. You guys have any other tickers that you guys threw out there on the chat? Kazia, Mathematics, talking about foot, toes, flippers. Biden calling Zelensky Putin. Delusional, out of his mind, belongs in a home. Playing footsies. You know what's funny, Mark Maddox? I just read your comment, and that was exactly what I was doing, dude. I was playing footsies with myself. You know, just massaging my toes and massaging my feet. Feels so good, you know, like just you know tickling myself in between my toes. Feels so good. Ooh. I think wait, did you mention, what was it, Mark, you mentioned IVP yesterday? Or somebody else did mention IVP. But it looks like IVP also, oh, IVP. Mark Maddox says that's Zelly's job, Lion. What, to play footsies with me and tickle my toes? Sure, if she's into that stuff. Okay. Would you do that, Zelly? Don't worry, I don't have athlete's foot. I'm just kidding. So I want to say okay, I need to go back. My bad. I need to go back and look at the last stream real quick. It's a good thing that Zelly had posted some here it is. Oh, it was ME too as well. ME. Freaking 23 and me as well. I think it said toe jam. That's crazy. I just wanna look real quick. Right. The cost to borrow was like at 608%. Hold on. Let's check real quick. Inspire Veterinary Partners. Oh, yo, Mark, yo, guys, and lady, see, cost to borrow jumped once again from 608 0.67% as of yesterday to now 832.5%, with only 100 shares left to borrow. Yo, this thing is going crazy. Shares are barely like getting stacked up to borrow, dude. Like, and okay, let me see. What did we say? Let me just check real quick. I was viewing the hourly. Let me go theater mode. Let's check real quick. I want to see what did I do? I think if I was not mistaken, let's see. Okay. Explosive. But this originally started. That is GCA percent gain right there. We'll get into it because obviously it's not financial advice. And you remember, when I always say this all the time, theoretically, when it comes to packing. So you had that going on. Okay. Before recently. I think I was probably either like looking at like $4 for IVP to pull back. Let me see how this looks like on the 10-minute. Oh. Okay, yeah, maybe. This looks crazy though. $4 here. I'm gonna put it here just in case. A 4 here. 4 here and the top here. Yeah, let me see. The toe jam is grape flavored with a little bit of vinegar in there. Oh, Lucy. That's right, Lucy. The glasses stock, whatever that is. Yeah, we'll give it a look and see how Lucy's doing. Damn, we got a couple of female stocks there, huh? Lucy, Maxine, Peggy, Kazia, Amy, Peggy. Wonder who else. He don't got athlete's foot, but he got the chicken apocalypse. Utu. He was declawed at the same time he got neutered. Okay, IVP's legal short interest tripled and it's back on the reg show list for 4 days. Equals counterfeits. Wow. So I'm gonna see. So it looks like there is potential for this to pull back some more, and maybe this will go back to 5 and retest, or it'll actually continue to sell off here as people probably think that this is a PND and then try to establish a bottom at $4, because that was the last resistance here before, in a way. I want to say around 385 to 4. So we're gonna see if it actually reaches $4 tomorrow and establish a bottom. But if not, if it stays above 5 and then tries to go for another round, that could be crazy. And on top of the fact that what Mark Maddox said about the legal short interest tripling and being back on the reg SHO for 4 days with counterfeits, that could stir a lot of trouble for the shorts that are in this stock. Not financial advice, just strictly in our opinion. All right. We're just investors here talking amongst ourselves, observing and stating our opinions. Okay. But that's crazy. That's crazy. We just look at the hourly real quick. As we see here on the MACD, there is still some bearish divergence here trying to play out, and you have this dark red bar here that printed on the hourly, and on the RSI you can see it's just started to it's just started to exhaust itself and come back down from being so overbought from that rally yesterday. So it definitely has a lot more room to go, and for IVP to actually come down a little bit more too as well, I would say that it would actually try to fulfill that and hit around $4 or so. So again, we'll see what happens with IVP, but that is insane. More than 800% cost of borrow fees. Mark R will be right back, so we'll see him in a little bit. Hey, that's what Arnold said. Who's Arnold? Arnold? I don't know him. Who's that? Who's Arnold? I don't know who's Arnold. Hey, Arnold! I don't know who that is. Short percentage of the float, 39.50% with only 0.02 days to cover. Per Fintel here, 8 hours ago, there's no shares. There's literally no shares available to borrow. And okay, so here, the start and the minimum of the cost of borrow fee is 795.20%, but here it shows the max and the latest higher than what it says here in chartexchange.com at 842.34 instead of 832.05. Let me see. Doesn't say exactly, but yeah, that's what it shows right there. So, Arnold. Oh, what a, dude, I just completely like failed on that. I'll be back. Get to the chopper. No, don't do it. No, you cannot do it. Yeah. Oh. Are you stupid? Get out the way. Get out the way. Moko. He called me Mokos. That's my nickname now. Lion Mokos. What's up, Eric? How you doing, fam? ¿Cómo estás, hermano? Todo bien? Todo bien? You missed out on some spicy stuff earlier, man. We're talking about some chicas, we're talking about Maxine, how she's getting crazy here, you know what I'm saying? So let me just go back, and Lion was in love with Peggy last night, so fickle. Let's check out, Oh no, okay. Oh. Damn, okay. So Peggy, let me see that. Let me check the hourly. Okay, so Peggy did try to hold up on the channel. It was Peggy that I drew this channel. And it looked like it took the bearish route, this bearish scenario, and broke down below the channel. And now it's like slowly descending, and probably trying to pull back some more and try to retest this area of support around 220, 215, 220. I want to say around 210, 220, around between that range there. Because here on the MACD on the hourly, it looks like it's pretty much coming back down to this level, and it's probably gonna reattempt to do a reversal and start to going to green here, and also the RSI as well. It's actually neutral, and it took a little bounce, so you could see that happen for Peggy. So it's, you know, she's not completely, you know, exhausted and spent and dried up, but you know, when there's a will, there's a way, and I think she still has something left within her. So we're gonna see Peggy real quick. Oh, what is this? Okay, hold on. We're gonna go real quick. We're gonna go real quick and see. We're gonna look at Peggy really fast. We're gonna look at Peggy real fast. Okay. Let's see. Where did I? Okay. Oh. I know I zoomed in. So the last time we checked Peggy's cost to borrow fee, it was at 193.6%. Yo, the cost of borrow fee for Peggy jumped and went up to 314.42%, with only 900 shares available to borrow, and down to 284.97%. So wow, these stocks are actually like cooking. They're cooking in cost of borrow fees. That's crazy. These stocks are actually, yeah, they're definitely gaining some attention for sure. Hey yo, what you doing? Nothing. Chilling, drinking a bud. Hey yo, pick up the phone. Hello? You showed up on time yesterday? Yeah. Peggy. So Peggy would have to be either bottoming out in this area, or actually holds above 245. 245, and then maybe try to go back to $3. If not tomorrow, maybe next week she'll have another shot. You know, so I just wanted to quickly go over Peggy like that. Yeah, Rickin. Wait, who? Wait, orgy with who? With Maxine, Peggy, Kazia, Amy? Wait, what? Wait, hold on. Did I miss something? I'm so lost. So hot. Oh my god. Alright. LPSN. Okay, Tesla. Oh, so Tesla took a shat along with the rest of the market, and we're talking about an 8.56% drop. Yeah, we're not gonna look at that. That's crazy. Yeah, let's look at Tesla real quick. So how about that? Does that not look like a big trap here? It literally looked like a big bull trap, and Tesla said yoink to like a part of, you know, the rally, and maybe another yoink from here to 210, or maybe back to 200. What do you guys think of Tesla?
Ma, the meatloaf! Fuck!
Huh. Yeah, this is peaking out real good. I really thought Tesla would have a chance to actually continue on with this somewhat of a little mini squeeze that that's been having. I mean, we were talking about Tesla being at 138, $139 a share, to reaching a high of $271. So if this is the big bull trap here for Tesla, and now all of a sudden we're seeing everything start to come down, crashing, and not only just Tesla, but we got other big cap stocks, mega cap stocks, and you know, a lot of people, the big ballers, you know, taking out their positions and coming down and stuff, you know. DP with what Peggy, Maxine, they looking good, man. They looking good, man. So what I'm thinking here is pretty much you're seeing potentially Tesla peaking out on the RSI and the MACD for it to come back down. So we're gonna look at and this is the 8 hour, dude. The 8 hour looks disgusting. So I think this could actually confirm that Tesla just did a little whoop. And yeah. So who knows if 220 is next on Tesla? That would be a crazy drop. You can see it here too on the 4 hour chart. Disgusting. Here it was still overbought for the majority of this run, and coming to here at this point, you can clearly see that this is literally shutting itself down, taking a dump, massive deuce. All right, so you know what? I'm gonna actually clone this, and we're gonna bring this down here. Okay, give it to me right here. Boom. Maybe around this range. Hold on, wait, hold on. Wait, I'm trying to... Hold on, how do I... Hey, where's the thing at? I can't move it. Where's the thing? I can't see it. Oh. Alright, whatever. I want to say... let me look at the 1 hour. What is the 1 hour doing? Well, that's actually a little different from the 4 hour, if I may say, because the 4 hour looks completely overbought, and already exhausting itself. But the 1 hour, let me see. Looks like it's trying to bottom out here. So it's maybe consolidating and then getting ready for another drop. Let me remove this because this is actually not making any sense. I want to say we can do this. We could probably see 210 for Tesla, if not obviously if not tomorrow. I wouldn't think that, you know, Tesla would drop so hard like it did today and fall another like 8-10%, because if that's the case, then tomorrow you would definitely see Tesla hit back to like 210, 220, around that range, because it looks nasty. It really does look nasty. I mean, like from the weekly here, the weekly, it didn't even break over this top of the candle from the last week. Look at the daily, and it's just a freaking rug pull, and it looks like it's gonna like fill one of these gaps. 4 hour doesn't look even any better. You have the EMA cloud here turning and just falling through, and the hourly falling below these two clouds. Yeah, I mean, pretty much that's what it seems like it's looking like to do. Unless 235 was like the bottom here, or if it consolidates and drops some more. I mean, that would be the two scenarios. But long term, if this is the case, then yeah, I think possibly bearish 210 from tomorrow into next week, hypothetically, not financial advice. Is there any news on why this dumped so hard? Okay, so this was one of the news that was released today, and it says here that Tesla's stock falls on reported robo-taxi delay, while Uber and Lyft shares rise. Interesting. So report will cause a negative knee-jerk reaction on the EV maker's stock. And that's exactly what it did, of course. It definitely jerked the stock down. Jerked it real good and hard. Dropped 23 bucks. But it says here, Wedbush analyst Daniel Eves said in a note Thursday that the Bloomberg News report would cause a negative knee-jerk reaction on the stock, but he stuck to his bullish outlook on Tesla. Says this 2-month delay could just make the actual robo-taxi event and prototypes even better and more eye-popping for Tesla and Musk, and the team knows this unlocks the key to the long-term future of the Tesla story. Investors want more, in caps, details, not less, at this historic event. Okay, so in a post on X, StockTwits, a social media platform for investors and traders, said that it had seen Tesla's sentiment turn extremely bearish following the report that the robotaxi unveiling was being pushed back to October. October seems like an interesting month here to be pushed back to. If you can catch my drift. So with that news, I believe, I don't know, the reaction, I mean, it could continue through tomorrow, but that also involves the market. If the market conditions, how it's been today, especially after CPI, which is nasty, I would feel like, you know, it would actually take the majority of the markets down. So and speaking of the markets, we can go ahead and look at SPY real quick. just to show you. No, you know what? As a matter of fact, yes. You know what? Let me do this. Because here what we're looking at is a potential. Hold on. I'm gonna get. Okay, there you go. So, what does this look like to you here on the 4-hour chart? You guys can take a wild guess of what pattern this is. Yeah, there's no way that SPY is going to 575 tomorrow. Meatloaf. There's no way in hell. But yeah, if you guessed, yes, there you go. It's a P and D. It's a P and D, guys. Oh my god. But no, it gets even better, because it looks like a giant middle finger. They're literally giving us the finger, possibly the bulls, and saying, this is for you, and now we're taking all your gains and all your money invested into SPY calls. And now we're gonna see the full effects of this downfall and the demise of the SPY. And I made this discussion here yesterday too as well, and you can see it well here how it just it held up, and it actually rejected off this resistance, and actually breaking this line that I placed here yesterday's stream. I know you guys remember that, how I would have just held a little bit more into my puts. Oh my goodness, how I would have probably made 5 times, but I can't regret it, because I'd still succeeded in those puts for once. Thank you to the SPY dropping. Thank you. So this here, do I think it has enough room to continue? Absolutely. And you can see it here. This thing completely turned down, and now it's creating a bearish divergence on the MACD. Okay. You can see there the reddish wall here appearing. And it still has a lot of room here to try to come down and retest this line that I drew here yesterday. I don't know if this actually will do that. You know, this would do justice and actually fulfill that, but there's only one way to find out what's happening, and this is looking like a bear flag too, because it actually did finish on the hourly candle. It's actually bearish too as well. But we're gonna look at the SPY futures. All right, so you're talking about this trying to turn back around. Looks like there could be a possibility. Let's look at the 10-minute chart and see what it's doing. All right. I saw Jesse yesterday, I think. Jesse was actually on early on the stream. in the beginning, and then didn't see her afterwards. Probably went to work. Let's see. Let's see what we have here. Let's see what we have here. What this could be, maybe, I don't know. Is Pam here? Is Jesse here? Summon them. You were summoning them yesterday. Alright, so this looks like a pennant. Ascending triangle. I believe that's what it's called, or is this considered a pennant? Let me see. Because what could end up happening is we get a recovery on the spy tomorrow, and probably try out for maybe 5646 on the SMPX. There's Pam. Oh shoot. You must be telepathic or something, because like, how would you have ever known that Pam was here? Oh my god. I'm trying to look Anubis, and it's like, maybe I should look at the 5 minute chart here. But yeah, Pam, welcome back. Pamalalo ahí, que lo va a partir. All right, so you snuck in so quietly. I didn't even notice. But for some reason, Eric definitely like sensed you. He probably smelled you too as well. It looks like the white line is trying to turn away from the orange line. So I wanna say, if it's losing strength, and if it doesn't retest this last candle up here at 5643, we can definitely see more downturn here for the SPY, and try to break below, reaching at 5636. One way to check real quick is if we go to the 24-hour trading hours, and by the way, GME is at 2539, so it's still holding up pretty well, and it's still flat. Anubis, are you still here? If you can gladly tell us, and give a little detail on what your call was about. Wait, are you actually smoking right now, Pam? You see, I know Eric smelled something. I think he smells your weed. He smells that kush. Smoking that la la la, smoking that la la la. Yeah, there goes that next 5 minute candle there. So it's actually red. It's getting weaker. If you get a little closer here, you can see it right there. It's trying to turn back down. It's staying red. And we're just waiting to see if there's a rejection here taking place. You smoke all the time. Sheesh. Wax and sugar. I've never I've never even heard of wax and sugar because I don't really smoke like that. Maybe once in a blue. As a matter of fact, I still have a roll up in my drawer and I've never even smoked it yet. Oh shoot. Oh, there it goes. Are we rejecting now? Are we pulling back? Ooh. Speaking of Lala. Let's see what Zelly's gonna say. Sugar wax. You can find Zaza. Oh my god, how adorbs, Zelly. You're adorable. It's like, speaking of Lala, you can find Zaza. Oh boy. My music channel is still 72 subs. It has not moved yet. But let's come back to this. Let's come back to this later and see what happens. I'm gonna actually set an alert for 5639. And we're gonna, oh, Travis. There's Travis. What's up, bro? I was actually gonna type in Travis. I'm bugging. I'm gonna look at BIG real quick. This is the stock that Chris Wilson was talking about earlier and yesterday. Travis, are you pop? What? Pop, lock, and dropping? Are you pooping? Are you asking if he's pooping? What is wrong with you? Oh, we're good. We're good. We're just here just joking like usual. Talking about toe jam and funguses and talking about Kush and P&Ds and DPs. Pop, lock, and drop it. Pop, lock, and drop it. Pop, lock, and drop it. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Sorry about that. It looks like BIG did itself a little. It looks like a head and shoulders here. Looks like a clean head and shoulders for real. But it did actually go up. So surprisingly, after we discussed BIG last night's stream, it looks like it got the attention of some investors. And I mean, it was my idea, right? We were just pretty much observing of what was going on with the stock, and it seems like it had traded here as soon as pre-market opened. Wow. So from there, BIG actually ran up 36% on the day, including pre-market. That's actually awesome. So it actually ran up 36%, and then middle of the day, then it had another sell-off. So this was pretty much like the whole idea of a P&D. You know, it's a little pump and dump. So you gain some and you lose some. All right. Thank you, Lion, for the cover. I had to go back to hear it again. Oh yeah, I got you, Anubis. I got you. Right now, SPY is trading at 557.16. So it's still trying to hold up around above 557, and hopefully you have further dated expiration dates on your calls. Hopefully it's not expiring tomorrow, because data is definitely going to affect that, especially if you're not that close into the money. But yeah, it looks like it did pick up, and then it dropped back down and it closed at 112. And let me see. You look at BIG on the hourly, no, on the 4 hour. Yeah, this was pretty much. Yeah, this was definitely a quick pump and dump right there. I'm pretty sure whatever this was, it got people excited for a second and thinking that this was actually gonna freaking start going crazy, and maybe, you know, reaching 170 back to these levels here. But it actually came back down, and we don't know if this is actually a fake out and then it's gonna actually drop and break below $1, but who knows, because, you know, there's been a lot of unfortunate news of big lot stores closing in a lot of states. So and that's pretty much it. We could look and see like what the cost to borrow is real quick for BIG, and it seems like it's still holding up here around 22.86. So it went up from 20.88, and there's still 100,000 shares available to borrow. All right, so it's been fluctuating here between 80 to 100,000. But yeah, and I really thought Zelly, are you good? Get a hold of yourself. Why are you thinking about poop right now? And so, you know, if oh shoot, wait, hold on. Spy's dropping. Okay, but I figured maybe it still has a way to just hold above $1 and try to come back. But if this was the last attempt for BIG to actually try and break over, because look, it literally here in the hourly, it literally tried to break over the 180 to 200 day EMA cloud, and that would have been bullish right there. It would have been able to send us, you know, past 140 into 150 and hold from there. But it actually did the opposite in the P indeed. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. Oh, you're welcome, Anubis. I got you. Silly, so silly. Okay, let me see. Cause that's exactly what I wanted. Cause that's exactly what I needed. When I look into your eyes and see you in my dreams, baby. Do, 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 do. Quickly, we'll look at G-Wave and see what happens. Oh, Mark Maddox, are you still here? Mark Maddox, are you still here? Let me know. Oh, he was like, what are the odds? All right, and this is not me just being like, oh my god, I told you so. I have a crystal ball, I know what's gonna pop tomorrow. All right, because we're just reviewing this, and we're just being hypothetical about what we're seeing in the charts, right? But, and thanks to Mark Maddox, if you're listening, for bringing G-Wave to the attention. It did see some action too as well. So from a low of 155, 157, G-Wave actually managed to pop. It traded over 1.16%. I mean, 1.16 million shares. And it opened up at 157, dropped to it stayed at 157, and then it went to a high of 174 to then close at 171. So that's really interesting. Look at that. That's a big candle. And on the 4 hour, it looks even better because it now bounced here on the MACD and on the RSI. And it's looking for an attempt here to actually try to break above 180 and retest this resistance at $2. Now I don't know what the situation with G-Wave is at the moment. I'm pretty sure Mark Maddox knows. Greenwave Technology Solutions. But let's see, short interest 4.48%. I think it's outdated. I don't know if it's short, but let me see. Oh, okay, look. Another stock that has a triple digit amount of cost to borrow fee percentages here. All right. This thing is at 128.34%, and with only 30,000 shares available to borrow. So it's coming down. It's coming back down. And throughout that time, you can see it, G-Wave pretty much here in action, and managed to run, good 10-15%. So good call out for Mark Maddox. I guess Mark Maddox left. I don't know. Maybe he was trying to figure out like how to make some toe jam, but then again, I digress. So that's G-Wave. Then we were discussing me.
Let's look real quick.
Let's see. Okay, so we had some sort of like an inverse head and shoulder. So let me see if that actually came to fruition. All right, 23 and me, 24. Oh, okay. So it looks like it did actually get another. Oh, all right. This is interesting. So it actually opened up. It only moved like a penny, and it was green on the day. So even 23andMe is holding up pretty well, and it's actually slowly climbing, and perhaps the potential to actually get closer to 50 cents and try to break over that. So we'll look at that too as well. You bought one share at $12? Wait, $12 of what? Really? Damn. Okay, wait, so there's some shares dropped, and it only went back to 0.57%. Oh yeah, the George W. Yep. That's good old George W.
George W. Bush. He's definitely a George W. Bush. It looks like it can actually hold up and we should probably climb over here and break back to like 50 cents. Because that looks pretty good. What do you think, guys? Oh yeah, this is pretty good, yes. Anyways, if you like this comment, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the like button, 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 and show some love. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Weasel, for that. Anyways, yeah. But yeah, nice little formation here. George W. Nice trend here, and you can see here too as well is everything starting to come up. You got the 9 to 12 EMA cloud. You got the 34 to 50 EMA cloud here, transitioning, and it's actually moving bullish. All right, so if you see this, right, usually, oh, look, we just got an alert. We just got an alert. Look at that. Ay, ay, ay. SPY is actually dropping. Oh. SPY futures. So if you see this yellow here on the 34 to 50 EMA cloud, Ripster cloud, and you see it transition to blue, that's also that's bullish. All right. So once you see this happening, and if you see the 34 to 50 start to cross right into the 180 to 200 and go over, then that's gonna be your confirmation of this this trend to continue to move up, and then perhaps have the potential to actually reach 50 cents. If not tomorrow, then maybe there's a chance for next week for 23andMe, the 23andMe stock. Okay. So we're gonna come back and look real quick at SPY futures and see what the update is, because we just got an alert. We got an alert here. Go to the 4-hour the 5-minute, and as we were stating earlier, okay, because we've seen a little bit of a rejection here taking place, and if the next one was going to be below this, then we would see that we would see the SPY come down as it's doing right now. Okay, so it hit the alert, and maybe we'll see this live. Maybe we'll see this start breaking down, and we'll probably have a red futures. Okay. Here too on the MACD, we have a second big red bar here, so that's also trying to give that confirmation that we would probably have more bearish divergence and more downside for the SPY futures, for the S&P futures. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna actually send an alert for 5638 and 5637 and see if that hits, and then we're gonna go back and we're gonna look into DNUT, because even DNUT, a stock that Eric G has talked about here about maybe a week or so ago on stream, and DNUTs, man, these nuts, they have been quite creamy in the past couple of days. So if we're looking quickly on the daily, we have a nice big green engulfing candle, and DNUT closed up today 5.02%, and it was at a low, so the range was between 985 and 1028. So looking strong. It's not bad. So we broke over all this resistance here, and the next stop would have to be 1050 and above. We'll go to the 20, we'll go to the 4-hour and see how that looks like. And on the 24-hour, 4-hour, we do see that that we have this trend here. We have this reversal taking place, and now you see the Kung Fu. Yo, Kevin is. So you see this pretty much twisting, and it's actually expanding the 9 and 12 EMA Ripster cloud, expanding up. And from there, we're seeing if it actually continues and then tries to test the 34 to 50 EMA cloud. And then continue on forth to trade above the candles above the 34 to 50 EMA Ripster cloud above 1040. So I want to say we would have to look for this to be the next range, the next area of resistance for D-Nut to get in there. And we'll see what happens. Well, again, booger flu, mocoso flu. And let's see the hourly real quick, which is not bad. It looks like it could hold around 1020. But the trend overall, it looks decent. It's not bad. We're just coming up from a bottom here of 980, 975, 980. And previously, like it did also around last week, around July 2nd. So it's been consolidating within this range, and it's now hitting that reversal. So let's see. We still look for a potential target of $11 soon. So we'll see how that goes. And speaking of D-Nut, because I think there's been a finger that's been wanting to go into that D-Nut hole. And perhaps maybe, just maybe, we could see something happen here with a finger. I think we went over finger 2 as well. No, I don't think we went over finger yesterday. But let's see. Where's finger at? There it goes. So it looks like it's actually, if I can be correct about this, it's actually doing an ass cheek pattern. All right, so it's considered a potential double bottom here, so from here we're probably gonna see maybe this could happen within this next week coming up, and try to see if it actually does a reversal. Excuse me. Oh man. And if it actually see a reversal take place from here, then we could actually try to see this retest and come back to 220. Alright. You see that? See that? Fishy. You make an interesting point. Shall we discuss that, everyone? Just real quick. Oh, BBIG was delisted completely. It doesn't, I don't think it exists anymore. Oh, wait, what the hell? It's still trading? Are you serious right now? Get out of here. This thing is in the OTC market, and this thing is literally 3 fractions of a penny. Let's look at the daily. What? I did not know BBIG is, well, I mean, this was back in 2023, September. Oh, they had the stock split back in May 11th of 2023. But it literally looks like it's just literally been trading in the OTC and it hasn't been delisted completely. I'm just wondering why. Why is that the case? And it was actually, you know what? Do any of you actually trade on the OTC? I'm curious. Curious what you guys think. Oh my God. Nope. So, So here, I want to show you an example. But they say over-the-counter markets is risky as hell. It's super risky. I do not want to. Oh my God. OTC. Wait, what? Zelly, do you work at Dairy Queen or just play stocks? But I'm gonna come back to that point that Fishy Friends made just a few moments ago. But here's the thing, and this is pretty tricky. But if you can manage to scalp yourself, if you can manage to scalp this, yeah, that's true. That's another conversation for another channel. Maybe that's something that we do privately in the Discord and stream there on the down low. Not financial advice. It's just me. Just an opinion here. Just observing. Actually, you know what? Yeah, we're gonna talk about that. I'm gonna make a separate video, and I'm gonna post it on the Discord. The Discord. All right. So, but let's go back and to what Fishy said. Right. Again, this is just opinions here. Okay, we have room for discussion. You guys want to chip in and give us your thoughts, okay? But let me just start by saying that, okay, yeah, we already know what the deal is with AMC and GME, what this is all about, okay? We already know it's the inevitable is soon to happen, all right? But they're stalling. They're doing everything that they can to suppress the price and yada yada. Sure, is being available to borrow and blah 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 and stuff like that. But if you want to talk about in the length of time to get to this point, in between, how many other opportunities or quote unquote distractions have taken place and that could have made you more gains to compound and more ammo potentially to average in your cost for AMC or GME. And as we're talking about these other tickers, for example, and all of Mark's babies, like Peggy and Maxine, or IVP, or G-Wave, or D-Nut or Cost, for example. Because even Cost, dude, like, look at this. Look at that. This is from July 3rd. And not only that, but it has been pretty much, you know, we've just been seeing swings and sneezes, you know, left and right, and you know, potentially, you know, for investors to take advantage of it and seek the opportunity for them to get in at a great entry and gain yourself a good 65-70% in a day, or 80% in a day, or 200% in a day, you know, and just look at it as that, you know, a window of opportunity for you to, you know, make something on the side. And if that's going to help your cause, that's going to help your main positions, which is, for example, AMC and GME, not financial advice, then you would know that you'd be in a better position that you were before, in a more bigger position, shares or calls, it doesn't matter. And that's pretty much the whole point, right? Unless you already have a big position on either or, and you have nothing to worry about, you're sitting back chilling, you have a good average and all that, and you know what, I can just play something else on the side and make some money and compound some gains, and not even have to sweat or stress, you know. But simply, like, there's always something happening every day. So why not take advantage of the opportunity, take advantage of the moment, and make something out of it, instead of just, you know, waiting. Oh, there's a little pop. There's a little pop. Wait. Oh my God, is this it? And then the flat lines, and then we wait, you know? So and that's up to y'all. That's up to everybody, and it's up to me. Because we are the decision makers of our money and what we do with our investments. As long as we're trading safe, we know our levels and we know our risks, as long as we're making that money and we're compounding as much as we can to be able to grow our ports and grow our positions and stock up on ammo to get into more whatever you're trying to get into. So I feel like that's something that should be talked about, because I don't know. I mean, I'm just saying, in my opinion, we can't just, you know, stay stuck at the moment. And then if somebody talks about something else, and it's like, wait, no, let's not, because that's a distraction. No, please, no. This is the only one that matters. No, stop. No, we're not going to look into that. No, that's not what we're going to do. You can't do that. And that's how I see it. I feel like we can't do that to ourselves, because that means, like, we're going to be losing out on that. So that's just my take. That's just my opinion on that. I don't know how you guys feel about it, but there's definitely a lot of focus on the other things. We got our main focus. It's like Pam is saying right now, focus. We got our main focus already, and we're good. Now we just gotta manage and focus and continue on to grow and grow, so that we don't have to worry so much financially and sustain the balance and yeah, and it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work, and it's a lot of discipline to try to do those things and to try to maintain composure, and to try to figure out the best entry and in and out, and make your 20%, 30, 50, whatever, and just keep it consistent, and then be Gucci, so that you guys don't have to worry about, damn, like it's a red day, whatever, like that. Just keep thinking green. Keep thinking green. Keep thinking. Keep having that mindset, because that I feel like it's gonna take you along. It's gonna take you far. So, Jesse's back. Hey, welcome back, Jesse. Yes. Not saying, put all the eggs in like 20, 30 baskets here. Because that would be a lot. That would be a lot to manage. I don't think y'all want to stress yourselves doing that. You have your selection, and you work on it. You do your DD, do your homework, and try to make the best of it. As long as you're making something out of it. That's it. Let's see. Manage, SPY, AMC, GME, MACD, Cost to Borrow, RSI, PPI, Jerome Powell. The list goes on. Yeah. But as long as we're well positioned in Amy and Jimmy, that's what totally matters. Because I would rather make something while I wait, so that way I know when I have enough, I can be able to further grow my position and be even set for when they explode. Then you will see. You will see, and you will reap the rewards and the benefits. So yes, you got that right, Pam. Maximize your minimizes. I want to maximize my minimize. No, I prefer brunettes. And we've been on this road for so long. So long. And we're talking about some 2 years, 3 years. Wow, Jesse's been holding since 2020. And that's throughout the whole, through everything. Through everything. And still holding till this day. Because she knows what she holds. Kevin knows what he holds. And he holds a brunette in his arms. is making love to her all the time. Travis knows what he holds. No, Eric G knows what he holds. Fishy knows what he holds. I know what I hold. But don't let this be like, how do I say this? But don't let this stop you from making even more as you wait. Because you got a lot more opportunities out there as you wait for the big one. So, like I said, shoot, I'll make my money and I'll add my position. I don't care, because they're gonna eventually come back to Amy and Jimmy as an example, and then we're gonna be way better position. We're gonna be, I'm telling you, man, it's gonna be crazy when it happens. It's gonna be explosive. Oh my god, I just can't imagine. I can't wait. I really can't wait for all of this to happen for us and for you guys, because we're overdue. We're overdue. We're set to see some crazy stuff. As long as you're good. That's what matters. So, let's see what we got going on with the SPY futures. We're still seeing this trying to break this triangle here. See if it actually breaks down. So we're slowly inching closer and closer, and see if this actually fulfills. Are we looking here? Yeah, it looks like it's trying to slope back down. Did I just look on time? I think I might have just looked in time. Maybe. You hold for your cat? Aw. What NFTs you guys hold? Wait, there's a Spider-Man and a Batman too? Oh shoot! I didn't even know there was those NFTs. I'm gonna look it up right now. Oh, it was literally right there. Hold on. 2 Hycroft and 1 AMC. Let's see. Ah, okay. So, oh, that is dope. Released October 18. AMC plus Hycroft. I own Ape. Or have it to the Ape. I own AMC. I didn't see this. Really? Oh shoot. Receive a limited edition NFT? Bullet Train. Lightyear. Jurassic World Dominion. Moonfall. Receive a limited edition NFT The Batman, March 4th, 2022. That looks sick. Top Gun. Spider-Man No Way Home. The Matrix Resurrections. And I Own AMC, January 18, 2022. Oh, Wax. Okay. Atomic Hub? Wait, is this from Atomic Wallet? Oh shoot. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that is sick. Look at that. Wow. I mean, there's been a time period where NFTs were cool, and something happened. I guess like when the first drop in Bitcoin happened and everything started selling off, maybe people were selling their NFTs and maybe they were afraid of getting into it because they would lose value. I don't know if that was the case or, but I mean NFTs are still popping. I mean these look cool for collectors and stuff like that. Like this looks really nice. This thing is like $3.19. This one is $10.45. I mean, they're like what collectibles are like. It's like if you're collecting trading cards, right? This looks cool. I like this one. That one is $15. Wow, this one is selling for $400. Oh shoot! This one is going for $30,000, and this is a 8,630. Oh no, 8,603 of 9,000 mint, and the low listing here was for 645 wax, which is worth $22.77 per wax, and literally this one is going for $30,000 to literally buy this NFT. We have this one for $10,590. It's a 341 of 950 mint. So I think it depends on how many of them are created, and the limit. It's like it's crazy because like it's more valuable that way. I should make an NFT? Really? Huh. I wonder. You know, I don't know. I would have to look it up and see if I would have to see if there's a way to actually create it. So I don't know. Wait, hold on. What? It's going down soon. You see the guy just went to prison, Archegos? Wait, hold on. Hold on. Archegos. Oh, Bill Huang. Oh, yes. This Korean dude found guilty in a multi-billion-dollar fraud trial. Wait, I don't know. No CNN. Get out of here. Wow. Let's look it up in Al Jazeera. Better. Archegos founder Bill Huang convicted at fraud trial over funds collapse. The Archegos meltdown sent shockwaves across Wall Street and drew regulatory scrutiny on 3 continentes. And it says here, Archegos Capital Management founder Huang Sung-koo in Korean, or Bill Huang, has been convicted of fraud and other charges by a jury in Manhattan federal court at a criminal trial in which prosecutors accused him of market manipulation ahead of the 2021 collapse of his $36 billion private investment firm. On Wednesday, the jury, which began deliberations on Tuesday, found Huang guilty on 10 of 11 criminal counts, and Patrick Halligan, his Archegos deputy and co-defendant, guilty on all 3 counts he faced. Huang and Halligan sat flanked by their lawyers as their verdicts was read by a soft-spoken foreperson. You are defended guilty of 10 counts of fraud and y'all. And that is a lot of freaking money. 36 billion. like Lou says, the devil's vaporized. Completely vaporized. Let's see. So they now, damn, he's gonna face 20 years, and he's 60 years old. No, I don't. No, I don't see him in my bank. I promise he's not working for us. He's not hiding in the vault. I'll even tell on him. I'll call the cops myself. Here, I found him. I'll give me $2 billion. But that's crazy. They now face maximum sentences of 20 years in prison on each charge for which they were convicted, though any sentence would likely be much lower and would be imposed by the judge based on a range of factors and a lot of, maybe some money, to be given to the judge, because, I'm saying, like, a little something, maybe I can bring down the sentence a little bit, maybe 10 years. You can go on parole and stuff like that, If you can give me, maybe, $3 million on the side, I could let you, off maybe 5 years. I don't really have to stay in jail for that long, but what I'm saying, like, Oh, man. Benito, yeah. Benito and Benny, yeah, Benny. Salamaha, I'm gonna hurt you. Chop chop. Oh, you talk about us. We're gonna cook you in the wok and gonna chop you. Salamaha. Oh my god. I remember he used to do that. Oh, we fuck you. We fuck you. Oh man. And let's see, maybe we have some. When stock prices fell in March 2021, the banks demanded additional deposits, which Archegos could not make. The banks then sold the stocks backing Huang's swaps, wiping out an alleged $100 billion in value for shareholders and billions at the banks, including $5.5 billion for Credit Suisse, which is now part of UBS and part of their BS, and now taking care of their dirty work, and $2.9 billion for Nomura Holdings. Speaking of UBS, we're gonna go back to NFTs in a little bit. UBS though. When oh, look, it just broke out of the triangle, guys. Oh, look at that. We just hit the next alert. Oh, it's going down, guys and gals. It's going down. Oh, yes. 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 Oh, yes. And if that's the case... Oh, wait. Peach Shake? Dude, I miss Lou so much, bro. I miss his wine streams. I forgot what it was called, but it was something about his wine. Wow. Damn, man. What's going down? Oh, Spy just went down. It hit an alert for 5638 that I have here, and it's trying to retest here these lows right around 5636. So look, even you can tell right here, that's dirty. It's dirty. It's getting heavier to the downside. So we can definitely see this breaking down. It broke out of the triangle that I had here posted up. So we were trying to see if the SPY would bounce from here, but no, it literally failed and we just broke down. So we're gonna see if it actually can hit this alert for a little bit, and we'll come back to that. But yeah, UBS though, UBS. I want to see what that looks like. Let's see, because if shit hits the fan with banks, especially with small regional banks, and UBS being maybe potentially, you know, possibly, I don't know, who knows if who knows how long this will last, but overall, I wonder how much this would drop. So we're gonna look quickly and check the we're gonna look here because I'm curious to know what the volume looks like in this is not financial advice again. We're just observing, doing our DD and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Haha. And look, you can see a little breakdown here happening on the 4-hour chart. So we got $29 here. I just wanted to look at the options chain for the puts and see how because there's definitely no volume here at all for like 19th. 25 for August 16. 2250. There's no volume at all whatsoever. Oh, okay, that's interesting. So there's some volume here for the $30 strike, even though it's a little pricey here. It's 129 per contract, but here you got a open interest of 773 and a volume of 600. While everything else is 0, so there's no volume there. Interesting. December. Oh, December is a lot heavier on open interest and a little bit more on volume. So 3,349 open interest on these puts and these nuts. December 20th expiration there. January, seeing more open interest but no volume, except for the 3 volume here for the $25 strike, which I have a feeling could make a difference. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe. I don't know. Let's see. Slimy bastards. Slimy bastards. Bloody bastards. There's very slimy bastards. Somebody was talking about shakes. Peach shake, I don't know about that, but mango shake does sound good, and papaya and guava. Guava shakes are amazing. That tastes so good. Oh my god. You just got me craving for one now. Right. No, it was $500 for chicken at $500. It said try chicken at $1,000. I'm serious. He had a method to his madness, and I think he was really a smart guy. And I kid you not, like most of his of what he was talking about, like, damn, I really think he came from the future, because there's a lot of things going on that he pretty much called out. It probably didn't happen at a certain timeline, but little by little, there's certain things that are coming to fruition. It's taking place. So, you know, he was showing us the ropes and the lessons in life, and how to properly hedge and protect ourselves for the incoming collapse. So, we are indebted to him. We thank him for what he's done for retail in general. So, just 1 second right now. Need to. All right, so let's see, because wait, did it actually pop back up again? That's weird. Hold on. All right. Huh. Okay, it's trying to pop back up now. Right. See what happens. As for Bitcoin, we could talk about Bitcoin real quick and see what that's doing. We're looking at the daily. Oh shoot, that looks pretty bearish to me. I don't know if you guys have been looking at Bitcoin lately, but it looks more and more to me like a bear flag here on the daily. And the beat goes on, the beat goes on, the beat goes on, the beat goes on. The beat to drop right now. Let's see. Let's go to the 4-hour real quick. Looks like a little double top here in the 4-hour for Bitcoin. And wow, it looks like it broke down earlier to a low of 56,551. So therefore, gosh, maybe it holds back. I don't know. We'll see what happens with Bitcoin. I have to be an adult and head out. Damn, Kevin. It's going to be an adult. Oh, salute to you, brother. Again, as always, thank you for joining. Thank you for hanging out with us. You already know. Take care of yourself tomorrow. And good luck tomorrow. It's Friday. And I'm looking forward to us enjoy this weekend and just having some 6-hour streams tomorrow and have some beer. So anyway, yeah. For real, TGIF to everybody tomorrow. 6 hours and 2 minutes stream for tomorrow? You think it's possible? I'm gonna have to do some squats in between. Six hours and 9 minutes. Not financial advice. Oof. I'm gonna have to gear up for that one. The squat thrusts. Oh shoot. You want me to squat low, drop it down low, spread my legs, work my inner thighs, and go up and down, up and down. Ew, it's trying to pop back up. Stop it. Stop it, Bitcoin. This one is actually called Timid Love. TIMID Love. Timid Love. And I actually got inspired by a Spanish song, a bachata song that's classic. So it has, you can listen to it and hear it. Thank you. You're almost home? Good. Let me know when you get home safe, Fishy. Ding 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 ding. Oh, wait a minute. Yo, I didn't even know Wolf was up almost 10%. Wow, even Wolf. Wow, look at the trend on Wolf on the 1 hour. And this is coming back from a low of $3.01 here back in July 3rd. Wait, Eric, you said you're in Wolf, right? Wolf. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, 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 woof. Oh, that looks pretty nice. How do I chart this? This be like let me see something. Maybe that's like a falling wedge and then it broke out early. Well, whatever it is, I mean, it looks good. And on top of that, on the daily, Wolf looks like it's finna bust. Cause look at the MACD here. MACD's ready to flip. He's ready to cross over into the green. Not financial advice. Look, and also the RSI too is following to the T exactly. So let me look real quick and see how the calls are looking like for Wolf. Oh wow. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. July 19 calls here for next Friday. You got a decent amount of open interest here and volume for the $4 calls. NFA. And they only have monthlies, they don't have weeklies. So that gives some type of relief. It's not bad. I'd play in the safer side and go for August if it were me. As an example. Just to be a little bit more safer, but man, this was up. I mean, look at the contracts. Look, he had the $4 strike here, up 100%. Here for the August 16 ones, they were up 50%. You can look at it on the chart here and see how it looks like on the hourly. And let me see. Now, if we look at it from the 5-minute, let me see. I think these contracts were as low as like 15-20 cents per contract, and this actually went up to a high of 35 cents per contract. So there was some movement here for sure. Not bad. And this has good spread too. It's really tight. Has nice delta and gamma too. It's pretty decent. So maybe this could be the next alert. Yeah, maybe you look into that for sure. Nice. Okay, Pam. Oh, she said I'm gonna just listen myself to sleep. It helps me sleep. Wow. Well, that's shoot, that means a lot. Get the music and the voice. I'm guessing it helps calm things down and helps relax. Send her into dreamland and think about the stocks for tomorrow and see what's going on with woof 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 on the 4-hour chart. Has a nice pop to the upside. 3-4 hour candles here, looking bullish. Looking to climb back over, maybe over 380, then $4. Maybe it'll rip up to 440 cents now. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. The last candle was up to 420 here. Maybe this will reach to 440 in this resistance. Yeah. Sweet dreams, sweet dreams, sweet dreams. Sweet dreams, sweet dreams, sweet dreams. Gonna make that bubble pop. Gonna make that bubble pop for you, baby. Yeah, give it to me hard now, baby. Bubble pop. This also looks like a nice little W formation here. And maybe a little breakout right there. This actually, you know what? If we look into the weekly looks really nice. This is actually building a pennant. It's a pennant right here. So I like this. So we're just gonna draw this out here for a little bit. And you know what? I think I'm really considering maybe posting this as an alert, just to test on the Discord, and we'll see how things work out. But I'm really surprised. Looks really heavy in here. You got the green background, has some momentum, the bullish side. RSI is holding steady, and what it looks like here, if you look closely as you zoom in, it's clearly getting a little kick right there on the RSI, so that's good to see. I like that. What are we saying? This song reminds me of that song. It's a vibe. I think I know what you're talking about. that erotic movie that you were talking about before last week. So that's my let's see, Wolf. The short interest for Wolf. If it loads for me, can you load for me? Thank you. Oh shoot! So you got 24.47% of the float, short interest, and the short interest ratio 6.04 days to cover. You got 2,800,000 shares available to borrow, with a cost to borrow of 0.42%. So it's actually a little higher than today's. They're putting out data for tomorrow, so that's interesting to see. I wonder if Wolf is available in the 24-hour market, so I'm gonna go ahead and check and see if that's actually trading. Maybe not, but let's see. And okay, so it's not. All right, it's not. What? It's a vibe. 2 chains. 2 chains sounds familiar. 2 chains. Oh. 2 chains. Okay. Barnes and Noble. Oh shoot, Barnes & Noble making a bottom here? What is this? The bottom on the weekly after that stock split that took place back in June 12th. Wow. It's a long way to go. What's that other stock? Oh, Lucid. Oh, Lucid is wow. Lucid pops. This was 6 hours ago. Lucid pops on praise of its Saudi partnership. Rising today after announcing a positive update, the electric vehicle producer has been enjoying an excellent month of steady growth, but today Lucid stock is in the green after CEO and CTO Peter Rawlinson spoke to Bloomberg TV about how Lucid's partnership with Saudi Arabia Public Investment Fund, PIF, is going extremely well. Specifically, he referred to the PIF as the perfect long-term partner for his company during its current phase of scaling production. This is exactly the type of development investors should want to see from Lucid, as it suggests the company's gradual recovery will continue. As you can see here, since the week of the 24th of June, here from a low of 248, and now seeing Lucid here close at 340, with 350 being the end of this wick. So 3 weeks in a row, 3 weekly candles in the green. So this is actually pumping really nice. So this could be, you know, one of the small caps that the big boys, you know, and the bigger cap stocks switch off and try to get some type of profit from here and send the stock moving into the right direction. And shoot, you imagine if Lucid squeezes again? You remember that back in what was it here? It was back here when it actually went up to like 60 something bucks. Yeah, there you go. From 10 bucks all the way to like 64.86. If there excuse me, oh my god, excuse me. Ooh. So if that's the case, might have ourselves a good position here to enter my financial advice. But if we definitely see this, especially as we have this nice trend here happening, because look, compared to this guys, look, you still had all this 9 to 12 EMA cloud thick in the red, bearish, and even though it did have 3 weeks of green, it still rejected and it like continued to sell down. And then they had a bad earnings here back in May 6th. The next earnings is going to be taking place August 5th, next month. And the difference between now and that time is that you see this, that the clouds, now it's transitioning from bearish to bullish. Damn it, come on, pop. There you go. Right, so it's just getting started, in my opinion. And I feel like Lucid could be making a comeback. Look at this trend here in the 24-hour. That is nice. Maybe some long-term calls for Lucid. What do you think? Let's see what's going on here. Wow, look at the volume here for the 350 calls. More volume than the open interest. So that's like maybe guaranteed to print. Not only that, but the gamma is at almost 1.0, 10.93 right now. So that's interesting. Makes me a little tempted, but I don't get paid till Wednesday, so I might miss the boat on that one. So the next best bet, maybe this one here for August 16. August 16? 4. Let's see September. Let me look at it. June 2025. January. Oh damn, January got a shit ton of open interest. Especially for the $10 strike. Ooh. Those definitely look tempting, but in terms of shares, maybe that's more appealing to just do that instead. Cost to borrow is actually 16.53%, so there's some good stuff there. Travis says something. You're an OG Lucid holder? Nice. Nah, the meatloaf. Fuck. Oh. Alright, let me see something. I had to play that for Travis. Okay, AMC then GME. Okay, so what do we think? Once I had a lucid dream about being a cunning linguist? What? Oh Lord. Okay, all right. Let's go over this. This is gonna be 11 o'clock, and my buns are numb, so I need to put some feeling back into it. No diddy, no diddy. Yikes! Yikes. Damn, look at Meta on the 4 hour. Or Meta. Meta looks disgusting. Wow, look at that. What else? Oxy. Oxy looks like it's climbing back up. Bullish. Damn, SoFi. Apple. Penis. I can't find penis. Hold on, let me type it in. PNU. Oh, that's in German. Yeah, I can't find it. It doesn't exist. Damn. What is Tesla? Tesla is something max, some yield max. Oh shoot, yeah, that's disgusting too. That's I don't know. I feel like that's what's the dividend? Damn, $1.03. Oh, this is every. Wow, this is a monthly dividend thing. But I think it's definitely risky too. The dividend sounds so juicy though. Then again, what about the taxes on that, huh? Shoot. Alright, Amy. Let's talk about the main course right now. Amy. Oh, Amy. What do we ever do without you, Amy? Oh, Amy. I mean, honestly, like if you were talking about Tesla, it'd be shares only. And, you know, just keep snowballing the dividend payouts onto more shares on Tesla. And if Tesla begins to shit itself, then I think it would be that time to kind of like jump ship. Because there's no point in holding if it's going to continue to drop down. And on top of that, the dividends drop too as well dramatically. So it's really, really naughty. Tesla is really naughty, very risky, and it could lead you into some very, very deep trouble, for sure. Right. And that goes for every other stock that YieldMax is involved in, like, you know, Amazon and Nvidia and Apple. Apple maybe because it had been a little bit more consistent, but Tesla, you already know that bitch is freaking wild and volatile as fuck. All right. Now, what are we seeing here? What are we actually seeing here? Because AMC had been going through some type of dilemma here, and it seems like it's always been barcoding and whatnot. Yeah, I'm not too sure. And I wanted to actually, as a matter of fact, let me do something real quick. All right, hold on. And I wanted to just take this and copy this, right? I wanted to take that and copy and then remove, go back here, and then paste. Whoa, what the hell just happened? Oh, shoot. Oh, damn, that thing is huge. Hold on. Hold on. I just wanted to show you something real quick. Alright. I'm going to show you real quick here. Okay. No, hold on. Wait, what? Oh, the other way. This way. Okay, here we go. I wanted you to guys see pretty much here the similarity throughout the whole. Let me see, was it here? Okay, so maybe here. Alright, so here you got the price action for AMC, for Amy. And here you got the price action for SPY. Right? Maybe it was a little bit bigger, I'm not too sure. Let's see. Go down like this? Maybe around here. Okay, there you go. Wait, hold on. Here or I just totally lost. Hold on. It was here. Okay, I think it was here. Okay, yeah. Right here. So just a quick note here on how Amy and SPY moved. Okay. Literally following SPY's SPY algo. So if there was any time where AMC looked like it was going up, it's pretty much when the SPY was going up. You see that? This moment here, a little right here. See that here? A little down here, down here. The Tesla pays monthly. Right now, it's paying off $1 and change, which is quite insane. Because if you definitely have about 500 to 1,000 shares of Tesla right now, before the ex-dividend date, you're literally like doubling your money within the next month. And that causes for more shares if you wanted to like continue to drip into Tesla from those dividends, and you know, pretty much snowball and and pretty much like make a decent amount of cash. Like again, I don't know how that's gonna fall into, like, you know, taxes and stuff. And then, you know, I really hope that they abolish taxes and we don't ever get to pay them. When will that be the day, huh? But yeah, that is the case right now. So I was thinking about it and I was like, damn, why am I not doing that? Why am I not doing that? I should be doing that and just, you know, getting into some Tesla, financial advice, build my position, and pretty much use the dividends to, you know, to drip in and create a snowball effect. And every month it's just pretty much like passive income. You're just growing and growing and growing and growing, you know, but of course with the risks, you know, and stuff like that. But I think it's only gonna be temporary, you know. Oh, I think it was here. Must have been, let me see, here? Oh, okay, wait. Here? Wait, hold on, no, here. Up a little bit. Okay, that looks more sense. I'd love to pay taxes on millions. That's so silly. Alright, let me remove this and go to GME. Let's see. How does this look like? Let me see how this played out here. Okay, maybe a little different. Let me see. Down, up, down, up, 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 down, 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 up, up, consolidate, flat, flat, down, down, up, up, consolidate. Yeah, this was all SPY's movement. It's definitely not yeah. Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh shoot. Ooh, 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 oh my gosh. My ass. Damn. 3 hours and 5 minutes streaming. It's 11:11. Make a wish. Make a wish, guys. It's 11:11. Let me just look quickly. Why is this already starting to come down? Actually, looks huh. Hold on. Oh no! Really? Wow. Okay. It looks quite similar now. That trend from July 2nd, June 26th, July 2nd here. Okay, this is completely different. All right. Okay, this might just damn, I don't know. I've never been so like stuck. Cause what is Amy trying to do? Look at GME. And for some reason, GME looks like it has a better trend right now at the moment than Amy. Let me see. But for some reason, Amy looks like it's diverging. And you can see the EMA clouds here, the 9 to 12 EMA clouds, turning thick red here, bearish. So this could pull back. It could pull back. If the data for PPI tomorrow comes out, and and then the markets receive the same reaction like it did today, like the SPY dropping crazy down, this could pull the rest of the market down with it too as well. And probably see AMC here fall back to like around this range here, like it did back in July 5th, around 505, 510. Well, they'll try to pull something off to try to get those $5 calls out of the money and close around $5, which I feel like it's always typical for them to do. I swear, they always love doing that stuff. And if you notice too as well, a few days ago, actually a couple of times here, we have these wicks literally touching 495 here, 495. Look, you can see it right here. Boom. 495 July what was it? 495, 495, 492, 495. Maybe it'll come down to retest. Who knows? But between there and between that, $5 is pretty much like the max pain and the major level support for AMC to, you know, to hold, and then next week will probably bounce back, or Amy turns back around. And let's see, because if we look at it from the hourly, can probably try to figure out and confirm with that bearish scenario. Let me just look real quick, and then afterwards I think I'm gonna end the stream. I'm gonna call it a night for you guys to get a good rest and be fresh for Friday, for Friday's trading. Okay, so here, quick example here on the hourly. Here, the 34 to 50. Let me see. It's 34 to 50? Hold on, because I don't want to get confused. Okay. Oh, okay, no. So this, okay, the green. All right, so the 34 to 50 EMA cloud right here. It switched from blue to yellow. Yellow is actually bearish. So the trend is following down with the 9 to 12 EMA cloud. And so now the candles here is trying to stay below the 9 to 12 EMA Ripster cloud, so that could give us that confirmation of more downside for Amy to drop, probably hit below 520. So either 520 or we go low, or either 520 or we go back high, and then we try to attempt to break over 530 and go up higher. This song is like heartbreaking. Yeah, this track is called Steel Heart. Corazón de acero. Steel heart. My heart is made out of steel. So, what is the significance of a steel heart? When someone has a heart of steel, they do not show emotion or are not affected emotionally. Heart of steel. I just call it steel heart. Boom. And boom. The hell? Yep. I was going through it, huh? And then for GME, because for some reason the trend looks a little tad solid, in my opinion. You can see it here on the 4-hour too as well. It's staying above 25.40 as we're talking here on on Robinhood on the 24-hour market trading hours, and if it could stay above 25.50, that'll lead me to believe that it could go for another run at $26, and from there it has to stay above 26. Those calls will go in the money. Maybe some exercising will probably take place. I don't know. It's just me just guessing, in my opinion. But if that's the case, that could also lead to a lot more action. All right. We've already seen a lot of volatility lately with cheated me. So yeah, you know, depends on the scenario. But then again, I feel like we need to just keep an eye on the markets and what SPY is doing. But as long as the SPY isn't crashing, I don't think we won't never see any. We'll never see. Well, we won't see. We won't be able to see what we're looking for. Zelly, have you had your coffee yet? It says, is this song called Kicking Rocks? Kicking Pebbles? Where are you getting heartbreak from kicking rocks? Oh my god. Jeez. I kid you not, when I watched The Notebook, I was a sucker. That movie made me cry. And literally, this was probably like 15 years ago, or more than that. Freaking had the tissue box out and everything, just crying as the sun was going up. Oh man, that movie was a good movie, but definitely a tearjerker for sure. No, you're not gonna drink 2 cups of coffee. You're gonna get so wired. Holy crap. Love is a battlefield. Tug of war. With my heart. Pulling me. Tugging me. Pulling me. Tugging me. Playing me. Do 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 do. You close to me. You close to me. I'm trying to fight it. There's no excuse, no excuse. I got a hot box where my heart used to be. Icebox where my heart used to be. Cold, so cold. It's so cold, so cold. At the end of Green Mile? Oh, yeah. No, stop it. Marley and Me. I think I told my lady about this. Marley and Me and Hachiko, the 2 dog movies that I was crying to, and oh my goodness, those movies were tearjerkers and a half. I couldn't. I was crying in that theater watching Marley and Me, and I was like trying to cover my face because I don't want people looking at me. Is that guy crying over? Oh my gosh. Yeah, I got feelings, you know. But I don't know. Maybe my lady wants to go through that again. We can watch Marley and Me, Hachiko. I'm gonna tell her to put that on the list. I'm gonna have a whole bunch of tissues in front of us to to use. Huh. Oh, shoot. If Jimmy pulls back, it's gonna go back to 25 as well. Ugh. This is gonna be disgusting. Okay. Yeah. It is. It really is, yeah. A tearjerker. And then I'm gonna give her a big hug afterwards. Dry those tears away. Give her a big kiss. All right, I think it's about that time. Yeah, let's call it a night, guys. Cause my butt, I can't feel my butt. I really can't. It's numb. Oh, what? Oh, I actually had these levels here previously. Oh, shoot. I didn't know that. Hold on. Oh, shoot. Oh, and it broke right over that, too. Damn, that's a filthy trend, too. Jeez. Wow. This was back at like 142 before. Say word. Yeah, Hachi? No, not Hachi. Oh, it was Hachi. Wait, why do they call it Hachi? It's Hachiko. I guess Americans were having a hard time trying to say the name, so they just shortened it to Hachi. Aww. But yeah, we're definitely gonna watch that again. Miss my baby. Anyways, yo, we're gonna call it there. I am going to actually just let y'all know. Now you guys are awesome. Thank you for, again, like I always say, just taking the time out of your night to hang out with me and just seeing everybody, have a good time, have a conversation, look into the charts, see what's going on, and just try to get ourselves ready for the next day. and hopefully, I don't know. I can't really expect much for tomorrow. I mean, there could be some crazy volatility, but then again, you know, they're gonna try their best to do what they do. But we're always gonna stay strong. We're gonna keep our head up, and we're just gonna, you know, stay zen, because every week is just getting us closer and closer to the end game and what is inevitable, and we're going to we're gonna see some crazy hot stuff here this month. Yo, Mark Maddox, really? My retainer, cherry flavored, dude. That sounds good. I'd rather have grape flavored. No, actually, as a matter of fact, I think I'll have blueberry. But yo, thank you, Travis. Thank you, Eric. Thank you, Jesse, Mark Maddox, Mark R. Thank you to Chris Wilson, Meatloaf, yeah, Fishy, Pam, Anubis. I think that was it. It's just the usual us that are here in the stream. So, oh, that's a good flavor. Caramel. Got me craving. Sally, you got me craving now. Damn. I should call her. Thank you, Zelly, as always. Always, the one and only. Thank you. Thank you all for making this possible, of course. Honestly, I might. Oh, this guy said tamarindo. Oh my god. Yo, I haven't had tamarindo in a long time, dude. Power stroke, dude. Pips and points pay my bills. Pips and points pay my bills? What? That is random. But yeah, what's up, Power Stroke? Pips and points, pay my bills, pay my bills. Pips and points, pay my bills, pay my bills. Good night to everybody. I will make sure that I'll clean the mocos off. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna take a shower and do that, and then feel good for tomorrow, and look forward for a better trading day tomorrow too as well. And I wish everybody as well the same. Good luck on your trading and what we discussed, and if you need to rewatch, we're gonna have some chapters, and we're gonna have timestamps just in case. And if anything, I'll just update you guys on Discord in case as well. If there's anything going on, and I'll post. So again, much love to everybody. Sleep well, giant hugs, Big hearts to everybody. Zelly, already, you already know. And oh, what I was gonna say is, tomorrow at 9. Oh shit, I might have to remove this. Actually, remove this. Okay, I'm about to remove that. Damn. Oh shoot. Okay, maybe this. Okay, there you go. Alright, y'all. Remember to hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe. Trying to get close to 500 subs. It's been a slow ride, but eventually we'll all get there. And, you know, we'll make things happen together. So, but yeah, guys. That'd be easy. Y'all have a great night. Sleep well. Dream a sweet dream and dream big. Dream of the MOAS. Dream of the transition of wealth. And manifest everything that you ever want in life. Take care. Peace out. And I'll see you in the next with yours truly, Lion of all trades.